All right, folks, so I'm back outside, and Empress just had to come with her enough self because I don't know why she couldn't stay inside. But
I'm hungry.
she kind of not important. Adam Fernandez is hugely important. He's a director at Marquee Entertainment, and Everald, the chef, is always here when we need him. He's the corporate chef, the Rainforest Seafoods, Everly Banks. Morning, friends.
Morning. He
Adam,
said I'm not important. Can you just tell him how important I am?
Great to see you.
Tell him.
I don't want to get in between you guys.
Yeah,
Get in between.
And I don't.
Please.
I suggest you don't.
No, I suggest we go to your party.
First, tell me quickly
that
about
sounds
Marquee
great.
Entertainment
Yes.
before we get specific to what we're doing.
Okay, well, Marquee Entertainment is actually known for our New Year's Eve party, Midnight at Bal Harbour, which was very, very successful. And we wanted to give our patrons a little bit more. So we decided to join the summer list of options for entertainment this summer with Marquee Munch, which is a food inclusive event where you can bring your coolers. If you don't want to, have the time to pack up a cooler though, just know that we have bars where you can buy your drinks. If you want a bottle, you can get a bottle from the bar. We have bar service and we'll carry it straight to you. We also have Chef Everald over here, who
He's
will be
cooking up
our
right
head
now.
chef for the afternoon.
Yes.
Um,
So when you say bring our coolers, we can bring drinks and food in there?
no, it's food inclusive.
food
So when you get there, you
inclusive.
can eat as much food as you want
Okay.
all day long.
So the cooler is your pack your whatever you want in the
Anything
cooler.
you want. If you want to bring, some Coke, some Schweppes, some
Some drinks.
right.
All right, and it's food inclusive. What time does this party start and where?
We start at 2 p.m.
Yeah.
and we're ending at 10.
Okay.
It's going to be at Hope Gardens by the pavilion.
Okay. So it's a day party, 2 to 10.
Day into evening.
Yeah, food.
So-
I'm liking it. And Chef Everald is cooking up something here that we're going to see on the day, right?
Yes.
Yeah, what you cooking
it's
over
a food
here?
inclusive party.
Yeah.
Of course, Rainforest Ready.
Yeah.
Proud sponsors.
Yes.
The Jet Punch at Bal Harbour was a success, so we saw the need to be a part of this again. So using our exciting products. So over here we have the goodies going on.
Corn?
Yep. So
It cook?
it's an outdoor barbecue, right? So
cook?
it's cooked.
Thanks.
So
Keep
we're doing
talking.
beef sliders, we're doing hot dogs, we're doing corn, we're doing shrimp as well. Not necessarily in this form, but we have fish in the foil. I mean, a whole gamut of food. Come out with a hungry belly. There's a lot to be eaten.
So we can eat all day, all night?
I'll be cooking all day. You'll be eating all day.
Adam,
love it.
It won't stop.
tell me how much to get in and what else happens. We just eat, or you have other
Well,
things
of
going
course,
on?
we have an all-star DJ lineup with DJ Nico, Kurt Riley, DJ Franco, and DJ Cruz. Prices are going to be, we'll have very limited female price tickets for $2,500.
So females pay less?
For a time being, as long as the tickets exist, yes. But the general pre-sold ticket price is $3,500 and at the gate is $4,500.
Okay.
You can get those tickets at Ribby's Pizza Grill, Jamaica Liquor Warehouse, Avery's Beauty Concepts, Gina's Pharmacy, and Extras Mall Plaza.
And it's this Sunday,
It is this Sunday.
which is good because
at
there's no
Hope Gardens.
football. There's no football this Sunday.
So
there's
you guys
no
can come
World
out.
Cup going on.
Good
Yeah, the World Cup is on
But
Friday.
if it was
Saturday.
so much, you would have been
had
able
a
to watch
TV.
it. Of course.
I knew you were going to say that. Hey, this corn is good, by the way. You want to bite?
No, I'm good.
It tastes good. Oh, you can't taste so good, man.
First and foremost, it's made with love and it's from Rainforest Ready.
And
Good formula.
you are doing what now?
Okay, so make some shrimp kebabs. It's outdoor. You want to be grilling. So that's really what it is.
So stuff will be grilling on the day.
Oh yeah, it's all
At
about.
the pavilion,
yeah.
Hope Garden.
We'll have
You guys are gonna love the
pastas. I mean, it's so much food.
What is that thing at the top?
On the top, we have beef sliders.
Beef sliders.
Yeah, mini burgers.
Mini burgers.
You know, see them here? These are these?
Actually, these are our 3 ounces. This is actually this in a small version.
Oh, these are great.
Yeah.
Put them in there. So what kind of burgers you're going to have? Beef burgers, chicken burgers?
We don't do chicken. We're in first.
Yeah.
Beef burgers.
Seafood.
We have some bit of fish.
Seafood is not beef. The man said no. You see what? You see what I have to work with every day? I don't hear this.
Yeah. So
The man says, I said, do you have chicken? He said, no. Neville says they only do seafood.
I never
After
said
the
only.
man
No, I
said,
never said only do
beef.
seafood. All
Beef
I
is
said was
seafood. You see
seafood.
cow? You see cow right now?
okay, so
You see
what
cow?
to do? We have Rainforest Seafoods
Yeah.
and we have Rainforest Ready.
I never said only. I said seafood. Final word.
I just want to give a quick shout out to our sponsors, of course. Rainforest Ready. We have water, Coca-Cola, Schweppes, True Juice, ISA Printing Solutions, 1080 Events, Clean Sweep Sound, and of course Häagen-Dazs. That's ice cream together.
Yep. All right, so what time, where, and how much again?
Again, it's at Hope Gardens this Sunday from 2 to 10. 2,500 limited female tickets. We have pre-sold tickets for 3,500. And of course, if you just want to come and get your ticket at the gate, it's 4,500.
All right, good to see you.
The corn is stuck in my teeth.
All right. It's your
tastes
good for you, man. Good for you.
That toothpick?
All right, folks.
Yes,
Adam
I do.
Hernandez.
He has a
It's Fernandez
toothpick!
now.
Adam
Fernandez.
Fernandez. And
Fernandez.
Everett Banks. And
Just
Adam
make
is the
sure my
director of
limited
Marquee
ticket is
Entertainment.
there.
No, man, I have it right inside.
Good. They have toothpicks there too.
All
Just so
right,
you know.
we're going to take a break. We'll soon come back.
What's saying?